Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of architecture. If you're passionate about designing buildings and creating functional aesthetic spaces, the profession of an architect might be just for you. Let's explore the roles, necessary skills, and opportunities in this career. Architects play a crucial role in the design and construction of buildings. They develop detailed plans, oversee construction work, and ensure that projects comply with safety standards and regulations. Their mission is to create spaces that are functional, aesthetic, and sustainable. To succeed as an architect, mastering skills in technical drawing and computer-aided design, or CAD, is essential. A solid understanding of construction materials and techniques is also crucial. Architects need strong communication skills to collaborate with clients and construction teams. The path to becoming an architect typically includes earning a degree in architecture, followed by practical internships to gain field experience. Studies cover subjects like design, construction, urban planning, and architectural history. Obtaining an architect's license is often required to practice legally. Architects can work in various environments, including architecture firms, construction companies, and design agencies. The demand for these professionals is continuously growing, offering many rewarding and diverse career opportunities. The profession of an architect is both demanding and rewarding, offering opportunities to create spaces that shape our environment. If you have a passion for design and construction, this career is for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on future careers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more inspiring videos.